Adding an outlet and you're a DIYer and you want to make sure that you correctly wired the outlet, well, Sperry and this tool have your back. Now, it's very simple to use, and as you can see, it has 3 positions for different lights, and each one signals something different. It goes anywhere from an open ground, open neutral, open hot, hot ground reverse, or hot neutral reverse, or correct. And as you can see, the position of the lights will tell you if there was a mistake or it was correct. Simple to use, and it also has a GFI tester. So you simply just stick it in the outlet after it's powered up, and as you can see, the 2 lights on the right side here in the middle are on, meaning that that outlet has been wired correctly. Okay, now we'll try it with a GFCI outlet. Now you know that it works properly and it is not powered. So, to double check your work, I highly suggest you get a Sperry outlet checker. Now the next tool for your home DIYer is a must. This is the Milwaukee voltage tester. Simple to use, but it could save you from getting the shock of your life. And you simply just push the button on the end, has a flashlight involved, and you just put it anywhere that you want to make sure that there is no power going to that outlet or any circuit. As simple as that. Now you know that there's power going to there and you have to be careful. So, 2 tools that I recommend for the home DIYer, that this one especially could save you from a shock of your life. I'll see you on my next how-to video.